Hi, welcome. On the series of Learn to Crochet, today we will see a recap of all the stitches in one video. Starting with the knot, and we are going to make chains now. Wrap the yarn and pull through on this thing. Now I am going to adjust that ring again. Hold the yarn on the tension and wrap the yarn, pull through. This is a chain. Okay, continue this process. Chain. First section is chain. Okay, see how my video chains are. Hope your chains also like this. Now I'm going to do the single crochet. First skip that stitch. Now I'm going to wrap the yarn, pull through from the chain. Now I have two on my hook and wrap the yarn, pull through two. Okay, now again insert into your chain, wrap it, pull through from the chain. Now I have two on my hook and wrap it, pull through. Continue this process. See, my single crochet is like this. The third stitch is going to be half double crochet. I'm going to wrap the yarn first, insert into the chain, wrap it, pull through from the chain. Now I have three on my hook and pull through all three together. Wrap the yarn, insert into the chain, wrap it, pull through. Now I have three and pull through all three together. This is half double crochet. Continue this process. Half double crochet stitch is going to be like this. Now we are going to move on to double crochet. Skip these two chains, and on this chain I am going to make double crochet. See how I am doing. Wrap the yarn, insert into the chain, wrap it again and pull through from the chain. Now I have two on my hook. Now I am going to wrap it and pull through two. Now again I have two on my hook and wrap it, pull through two. This is double crochet. See, on the next chain I am repeating the same. You can watch. The details video is on my playlist. You can watch one by one. I am in confused to do next video. Which one do you like? A granny square or different type of stitches? Suggest me, then I can continue my video. Okay, now see, double crochet is completed. Now I am going to do the triple crochet. For triple crochet, I skip three chains. Wrap the yarn two times, and now I am going to insert on the fourth chain. Insert it, wrap it and pull through. Right now I have four on my hook. I am going to release two. Wrap it and pull through two. Once, again wrap it and pull through two. Twice, again wrap it and pull through two. It is three times. Wrap it two times and do the same as earlier. Okay? Hope you enjoy this video. Send me your feedback. Thank you for watching. Nandri. Vanakkam.